Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate Deutsche Bank Online Banking. First, open the official Deutsche Bank website or launch the Deutsche Bank mobile app on your device. Sign in using the initial credentials that were sent to you by mail. This is usually your branch or account number along with your 5-digit PIN. After your first login, follow the setup process to create your permanent login details. You will need to choose a personal Deutsche Bank ID and create a secure password that you will use whenever you access your account in the future. Next, you need to set up a security procedure. Deutsche Bank uses two-factor authentication to keep your account safe and to approve transactions. You can choose the PhotoTan method, either through the PhotoTan app or a dedicated PhotoTan device. Another option is Best Sign, which lets you confirm actions with a password or biometric features like a fingerprint or Face ID. If you choose to use an app, download the official Deutsche Bank app from your device's app store. Open the app and follow the instructions to link it to your account. To complete the setup, Deutsche Bank will usually send an activation code to your registered address by post. This normally takes 2 to 3 working days. Once the code arrives, enter it in the app or through the online self-service portal to activate your security method. After that, your Deutsche Bank online banking access will be fully activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.